I think this might be my most important tip, so listen in. Cleaning plays a critical role in protecting people because when it's done correctly, it can prevent the transmission of harmful and in some cases deadly infectious diseases. So in my time, I've seen many outbreaks including food poisoning, influenza and now COVID-19. This is no regular cleaning course. I'm opening up the operations manual to cleaning for infection control to reveal what you need to know and do. What are the implications of not controlling infections? How can cleaning break the chain of infection? How can using chemicals and PPE safely? And what tools and equipment you need to clean effectively. Viruses like COVID-19 are at the forefront of everyone's minds, and people want assurance that they will be safe and protected when going about their day-to-day business. So in order to protect yourself and others, I'll break this down and lead you through the principles. I'm Nina Fairweather. Join me to unlock infection cleaning principles for hotels.